Good helper.
Hi, welcome to Sweet Red Poppy.
I'm Kimberly and this is
Maddie.
And today we are going to be walking through all of our face mask tutorials. We're going to show you every single face mask that we've ever sewn, tell you the best parts about all of them, maybe some of the downsides as well. That way you can figure out which mask might be the very best for your kids as they're heading back to school. So let's go through each mask. We're going to tell you the different variations on these patterns. All of these patterns are available on sweetredpoppy.com. So let's get started. To start out with, here is our 3D mask. This is the newest mask pattern we have. I really like this one because it's the most breathable. So it has a nose bridge pocket up here, so nice tight fit. It ties in the back. So I'm gonna tie yours in the back. How does that feel? What's nice about this one is that it sticks away from your face just a little bit. Okay, so that one's pretty breathable. I feel like there's like a lot of air. Okay, so this one has a lot more room within here to breathe. It has a filter pocket, which is good, so you have an extra layer of protection.
Good job.
You're doing great. And it ties in the back. Okay, so we have the same, this is the same style. This is the 3D mask, which I like this one so far. This is probably my favorite. So nose bridge, you can just bend this so it fits your nose. This one goes around the ears. And then back here you have this adjustable bead. So you can tighten it, you can tighten the top or the bottom, whichever one needs it. And then this has a nice tight seal right here. Yours is a little bit big. And then I like that one. Again, we have the filter pocket so you could slide one in here and then nose. So this one's great. It comes in 7 different sizes. I feel like this is a really good option for kids that are heading back to school. I would give this mask a 5. What would you give it?
1,000.
1,000. Okay. We're gonna move on to the next one, which is a variation. So this is still the 3D mask. You can see how it pops out like this, and it stays away from your face, which is nice. But this one has a clear shield in the front, and this is really nice if you're working with someone who is hard of hearing or who relies on, oh, you've jumped ahead. Or if someone relies on lip reading, then this one is really helpful. It goes like this, just slides right over. Again, we have the adjustable nose, and then it ties in the back. Yours looks so cute. So just like this is how it looks. You can see my mouth, which is great if you're in a classroom setting for a teacher and kids need to see what the teacher is saying or they're reading lips. So I like that one. I tried to make our vinyl like as small as possible. That way it's still breathable and you're not sucking in plastic into your mouth. What do you think about this one?
1,000.
1,000. I think this is a great option if you need to see someone's mouth. Let's move on to fitted mask. We have matchy-matchies. Okay, this one again has the filter pocket, so you could slide a filter in here for extra protection. Also has the nose bridge pocket, which is nice. And then it does have the around the head straps, which this is probably the best way to secure your mask, is going to be around your head because you get the best fit. So, oh, you already got yours on. Way to go. You just look at this one. So again, it's just going to tie at the base of your neck, just like that. What do you feel about this one? So you can tighten your nose. 10. She gives it a 10. I like that it has the filter pocket. That way you could slide that filter in. I like that it has the nose because it just fits your nose. Something I will say about this pattern specifically, it's kind of like a bra. You wouldn't just walk into a store and pick up the first one and expect it to fit. So you might have to make a few tweaks as you're making your masks. It's gonna take a little bit of work just to get the perfect shape for your face. Oh, we're moving on. Because every face is shaped differently. This is our pleated elastic face mask. This is the very first one we ever made a tutorial for. It is super basic. So No nose wire, no pocket. It's just, this is what you get. What do you think?
Cool.
So, 10 for that one.
Yeah.
The pros to this one, I feel like it's just really, really easy to make. It's so easy to put on, like Maddie just threw it on, no problem. You can pull it down if you needed to pull it down, you can pull it up. It fits most every face pretty well. So, what do you think about this one? I'm gonna give this one a 3 just because there's no nose wire in it and there's not a filter pocket. So I feel like protection wise, it's a little bit lower. This is probably my least favorite of all of them. It does have the filter pocket, which is nice for protection.
My favorite though,
it does have the nose wire.
This one.
Oh, we are not even on that one yet, silly. Okay, so let's try this one on. It's a pain in the bum to tie this. You have to tie at the top and at the bottom. It's not very comfortable. This one is not our favorite. We're giving this a big thumbs down, right? Do we like this one?
A little bit.
Oh, she likes it now. I would give this one.
Because of the pocket.
Oh, because it has the pocket. It does. I would give it like, okay, 3.5 because it does have the pocket and the nose bridge, but the straps are so uncomfortable. They're not easy to tie. No, we don't like it.
But I do like a little bit. I like it.
But you do like that it has the accordion.
And also...
You're easy to please. Ooh, one of your favorites.
Yes.
This is our gaiter style mask. So
Scarf one.
this is the gaiter.
I want to tuck.
Oh, okay. So the gaiter style mask is made of knit fabric, so it's super stretchy.
See?
Yes, that is so cute. Woo!
And what you can do, it's kind of like a scarf.
It's also like a scarf. What else can you do with it? Show us. So if you needed to use this after the virus was done, you would still have like a multi-use. You wear it as a little headband. So cute.
Silly.
You could pull it back and wear it as a bandana. So just turn just a little bit. So there's actually 6 different ways to wear this one. The surprising part about this one is it does have the nose bridge pocket and it also has a filter pocket. So there is a layer of protection on this one that you might not guess. It doesn't look like it from the outside and it is really, really comfy. Okay, you want to put yours on or are you already done?
I give mine 1,000.
You give that one 1,000. It is pretty comfy, huh?
Yeah, soft.
Okay,
Feels like my bunny.
Feels like your bunny.
A bunny toy.
So pretty comfy, easy to just pull down and then pull up whenever you need if you're out and about. What do you think?
Awesome.
Good one? That one has the Maddie stamp of approval. This one is the pleated scarf. This one is nice once fall comes around and you want a little more coverage around your neck. It's also nice because when you're placing this on your face, this gets pulled out just a little bit, and so you have more breathing room like throughout your neck area.
Because there's a little thing right here.
So you could have ties around your ears on this. You could also make it go around your head. It's up to you. So basically how this works is it ties in the back.
Mom, look.
When it's not in use, this could hang forward. If you had not used it, you could tuck this part in. If you've already used it and it's been exposed to things, you probably don't want to tuck it back in. But you could wear it as a cute little scarf. So multi-use. Maddie's wearing hers backwards, but since it's backwards, you can see in here we have a filter pocket. There's also a nose bridge.
Backwards?
Yours is backwards. This is all one tutorial. So you have the pleated one, which is based off of, earlier we talked about this pleated mask. And then we have the fitted one, which is based off of the fitted mask pattern.
This one's
So
best.
available in all of our sizes. Can I put this on? Let me see. Let me see yours. You have to pull it up over your mouth.
Out there.
So we still have our nose bridge pocket, also the filter for extra protection. This fabric is like buttery soft, so I like this. Let me see yours. Very cute. Remember, you pinch your little nose to get a nice tight fit. What do you think?
Yeah, not working.
Not working?
Every time
This one is a little big on you, huh?
Yeah, that's not really my size.
Yep.
It's like a bigger size.
It's a little big on you. And that's the thing about masks is you might have to sew like 1 or 2 sizes before you find your perfect fit. Every face is different. It's gonna take a try or 2 to get a perfect fit. Okay, what are we giving this one?
1,015.
4? I think we're giving it a 4.
I'm giving mine 1,015.
So which one is the very favorite that you are going to wear to school? So you're gonna wear the gator style mask to school. And what would be your second?
All the time.
What would be your second favorite? You like the window one?
And I like the window one.
She likes the window one. I
And
think
all
those are 2 really good, solid choices. The gator one, you really can't go wrong with this one because it's so comfy. I think a lot of kids would be willing.
love this.
You would love it. A lot of kids would be willing to wear this all
You
day
would
long.
like to wear it every day. It's
This
so
one
soft
also
and
is a great
safe.
option because your
Another one,
teacher
take
can
it
actually
off.
see your child's
And-
mouth. What are you saying? You are silly, silly. So 3D mask would probably win my approval as the mom because you have the filter pocket, you have the nose bridge. It pops away from the face so that you have more breathing room. And what else?
You're silly.
And then maybe the gator. All of these are free patterns. They're available on sweetredpoppy.com. You can find them there. Go ahead and let me know in the comments below what you think. Which style are you going to use for your children and sending them back to school if they're going back to school? We're interested to know. Anyways, we appreciate you watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe to Sweet Red Poppy, and we will be back next week with another video.
And a silly one.
A silly video.